Please, God, I beg you, give me the patience to deal with certain people. Oh, my intro song. They don't play the music, bitch. My intro song. If they don't play it.
Shorty my she man demon, laying up back, do it, heal it, like, do you know what I could do for you, girl? I could take this whole shit to the moon for you, girl. She said I got too much bitches, but fuck all these bitches, I only see you on my wall.
Rich as fuck. What should we wear?
Let's say your nigga poops. Girl, what the fuck? You gonna look at him like, let's say you walk in and there's shit inside the toilet. You gonna be like, yo, like that's, it actually physically has to come out of his, you know.
She got the queen, put some Lulu on his butt.
That's in the Quran. I tried to vote and these bitches follow. You with a cooking YouTube video, Ari Style with the red and go insane. Oh my god.
Ari Style. Who's Ari Style?
The girl that I was talking about.
Money bag girl.
She's so bad, goddamn. That bitch is bad.